got? Man, it's cold out here. March 18th. Oh, ooh, we got some color on this bad boy. But my phone's kind of jittery today. Oh yeah. Oh, popping. Woo. Got some paint on there. Oh yeah, it got some little injectors. Ooh. Oh, scratching the weight already. Ooh. Oh yeah, what do we got going on here? Trying to get it back together. What is this? Oh, it's your power steering. Oh yeah.
AC delete.
AC delete. Where would it normally go? Oh, right in there, isn't it?
Big open spot is.
Oh yeah. Made some more room so when he's got to work on it, he can get in there. Oh, she's looking good. What's back there? Was that thermostat?
No.
No, what
This
goes in
is
there?
a crack pipe that goes to the thermostat.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I need to block this off maybe. I don't know what that goes to. Possibly the oil cooler, which I used to have.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Could be, huh? Oh yeah, it's gonna be tough getting that all in there, isn't it? Oh, it's jittery today. All right, master mechanic.